Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the area safe. Power off the device and remove any battery. Once done, photograph your keyboard so you know key locations. Next, use a thin pry tool or fingernail to gently lift the keycap from one edge. Stop if you feel resistance. If it's a scissor or mechanical key, note the retainer clips so you don't break them. Then, blow compressed air to dislodge loose debris beneath the cap. Now you inspect the exposed mechanism. Check the retainer clips, hinges, and the switch stem for damage or foreign objects. If you see sticky residue, moisten a cotton swab with isopropyl 70%, 90% and gently clean around the stem. Let evaporate. Use tweezers to lift out trapped crumbs or hair, taking care not to bend contacts. Once the mechanism moves smoothly by hand, cycle the switch a few times to ensure consistent action before reattaching the keycap. To finish, align the keycap over the stem and press down evenly until you hear it click. Don't force it at an angle. You should test the key in a text editor, pressing several times to confirm consistent travel and repeat registration. If the key remains sticky or unresponsive, re-clean the area and check for damaged clips. Replace the retainer or keycap if broken. If problems persist, seek professional repair. One troubleshooting tip: intermittent failures often mean a damaged membrane.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.